Programm li analizza n-negozju fuq l-istazzjon Amerikan Fox News kellu bħala mistieden speċjali lill-Prim Ministru Dr. Joseph Muscat. Il-preżentatur Riklam staqsa lill-Prim Ministru Malti x'inhu jwassal biex il-Gżejjer Maltin jattiraw l-investiment lejhom, filwaqt li pajjiżi bħal Greċja, l-Portugal u l-Irlanda ħadu daqqa ta' ħarta wara l-oħra. Għal dan Dr. Joseph Muscat wieġeb li pajjiżna jgawdi minn pożizzjoni strateġika u sar post sigur għal min irid aċċess għas-swieq Ewropej u Afrikani.
What's going on in Malta?
I think we are blessed with a very good and very important strategic position. We're in Europe, but we're in the center of the Mediterranean. Companies that want to penetrate not only the European market, but the North African market have a safe haven where to invest.
Mistoqsi dwar kif jaħseb li għandu jinżamm ikkontrollati deficit ta' pajjiż, Dr. Muscat stqarri li l-aktar fattur importanti huwa l-mod li bih jintefqu l-flus. Il-Prim Ministru Malti qal li d-deficit ta' 17 triljun dollaru Amerikan tal-Istati Uniti jolqot lill-kumplament tad-dinja.
Does it make you fearful?
No, look, what happens in the United States affects us all. Okay, whether we are a very small country in the Mediterranean or elsewhere in Asia. Look, for me, the important thing is not the amount of the deficit, but how you spend your money. I believe that the important thing is that when you have a deficit, and if you have a deficit, you need to be spending that money wisely.
Il-preżentatur Amerikan osserva li r-rata ta' qatt fl-Istati Uniti hija ta' 7.5%, filwaqt li f'Malta huma biss 6% dawk il-persuni li m'għandhomx impjieg. Mistoqsi x'qed tagħmel differenti Malta f'dan ir-rigward, Dr. Joseph Muscat semma l-flessibilità tas-suq Malti, iżda fuq kollox spikkat ir-rieda ta' dan il-gvern li dejjem itejjeb l-ekonomija.
What are you doing differently?
Well, I think we're small enough to be more flexible. I believe that this flexibility is giving the results. We can do better and we will do better. We're positioning our economy now as part of the global market rather than just the European market, and that's where things will get better.
Matul l-intervista, l-Prim Ministru reġa' tenna wkoll il-pożizzjoni tal-Gvern Malti dwar il-konflitt fis-Sirja.